So this is tips number 7. So here we will learn the about experiment and redefine, how you can redefine your prompt and how you can experiment your prompt. Okay, so suppose you are writing ChatGPT that write an article. Okay, so it's very general and broad question you are asking to ChatGPT that create a article, write an article for me. No subject, no length, nothing you have mentioned. Only you have mentioned write an article. So what it will do is it will provide a generic and very broad answer. It will provide any random topic, XYZ, any random topic, but you should not write that because you will get a generic answer. If you want to get specify answer, you need to specify your output. You need to specify your question expectation also. So how you will do that? So you are telling ChatGPT write a 500 words article on the benefits of medication for mental health, including scientific research and personal anecdotes. Okay, so what you are asking ChatGPT is write an article for me. The length should be 500 words. Okay, so it's very powerful thing mentioning the length. Again, it's I will explain in details. Nothing to explain in details. You need to mention the length only. Suppose previously I also told it might be 500 words, it might be 10,000 characters, it might be 4 paragraph, it might be 10 lines. This kind of thing you need to set the limitation. Okay, you need to set the limitation, the length. So that is, you said the first thing. You need to mention your topic. Which topic you want? You want to know about the benefit of medication. So you have mentioned the first, you mentioned I want to write an article from you. Okay, so the length should be 500 words. That is you have mentioned. The second thing you have mentioned, the benefits of medication. This is your one another keyword, that benefit of medication. And benefit of medication on for what? For mental health. How? For mental health, how it will help for. Okay, so you can replace all those things. In the place of 500 words, you can write anything. I told you the 10,000 character, 200 words, 4 paragraph, like this I mentioned already. And the benefits of medication, you remove meditation. Instead of meditation, what you can write? You can write weightlifting, you can write exercise, you can write yoga, any based on your requirement, your subject, your topic. You can replace it for mental health. So exclude that thing also, not mental health. For gaining muscle, for bodybuilding, like this kind of thing you can use if your subject is that. And one more powerful thing is include scientific research and personal anecdotes. It is very important that include scientific research. So don't only say that this to do this, do this article, do this, don't do this kind of pros and cons don't mention. You also mention the scientific research also, scientific some knowledge also you research. So it will be more specific. Instead of write an article, you can write an article on 500 words. Write an 500 words article on the benefits of meditation for mental health, including scientific research. So it is pretty clear. So you will get specific information, specific ideas you will get. Example number 2, create a guide. Suppose you are asking ChatGPT that create a guide. What kind of guide you want? You want to create a blog post, you want to create a Python code, you want to create a website, you want to create a landing page, you want to create a Facebook ad copy. What do you want? How you want to get my guide? So you need to specify those things. So what you can write? Create a comprehensive guide. Again, it's a very powerful word, comprehensive guide. Not only guide, it's a comprehensive guide on how to start a blog. So your objective is to create a blog, your objective is create a website, your objective is create a promotional video, your objective is create a Facebook ad copy, your objective is create a landing page. Okay, so now your objective is this. So create a comprehensive guide on how to start a blog. What things you will cover? You will cover everything about that blog. how to buy a domain, how to register it, how to create content, how to do SEO, how to create promotional ad. All these things you need to mention. So you are writing, create a comprehensive guide on how to start a blog, how to start a website, covering everything. Covering everything means covering domain registration, covering content creation, covering SEO strategies. And again you can add covering how to promote this website or how to promote that blog. So cover everything. So you are providing more specific details to ChatGPT, and now ChatGPT will provide a better answer. So here also you can write create a comprehensive and step by step guide. Again you can write create a comprehensive and step by step guide. So again it will provide a more specific answer. Step 1, do this, buy a domain. Step 2, step 2, register it. Step 3, design your blog page. Like that way, step by step it will provide. So we will do the also practical session also. So example number 3, what we can write a review of the latest smartphone. So you did not mention anything about the latest smartphone, whether it is a Android phone or smartphone you said though, but you did not specify anything about your budget, about your brand, about your expectation. Suppose for gaming purpose, for the ordinary use purpose, you did not mention any details. So you only said write a review of the latest smartphone. The lots of latest smartphones are there in the market every month or every week. So that is your ordinary prompt, that is your ordinary question. So you will get the ordinary result, you will get a a broad answer you will get. But you need to specify it for accurate answer. What you can write a detailed review. So again you are explaining a strong keyword, detailed review. Write a detailed review on the latest smartphone model, of the latest smartphone model, discussing its features, performance and value for money. So 3 things are very important. I need features, I need the performance rate, I need the value of money. Whether suppose I am buying it 30,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees, whether it is worth of 30,000, whether it is worth of 50,000, you need to explain those things, and you need to explain the features also, you need to explain the performance also. Okay, so you are providing more details about that smartphone. If you want, you can mention the brand. If you want, you can mention your purpose also, for gaming purpose, for playing gaming gaming purpose. If you want to buy the smartphone, that is what. For official work purpose, like you want to access any Excel work or any other work you want to do. In that case, for a designing purpose, for if you want to design some any image, or any creating some reels, creating some videos, small short videos. So you need to mention that purpose also. So okay, so let's go to the example. So you are write an article. So any random article it will provide. You did not mention any topic, anything you did not mention, so it will provide a random article. Title, the transformer impact. See, the last day I used the blockchain, that's why it has taken the blockchain technology. The last topic we have, I think, mentioned, our subject was blockchain, that's why it has taken blockchain. Okay, so on blockchain topic, it has generated a random uh, article. Okay, but that I don't want. I need to refresh it. I have refreshed it. I created a new page. I went to there and I want. So what I will do, I will specify my write a 500 words article on the benefit of meditation on mental health, including scientific research and personal anecdotes. So I will go to enter, or I will click the up arrow. See, now on that particular topic it will create a I think I have reached my limit. Anyway, okay, so let's check. It has provided the details accordingly. So 500 words I wanted, so I think it has given 500 words or more than 500 words it has given. Okay, benefit of meditation or for mental health, it's a given all the details. Scientific research and mental health, all these things it has given. And then personal anecdotes and benefits, all these details it has given. Integrating medication into daily life, so every details. I wanted to create an article, so it has created an article. My topic was benefit of medication for mental health, so that is also it has given. And now I wanted to include scientific research, so that is also it is given. So how you want the response, that is very important. So you need to write very clearly that what you want from ChatGPT, what is your expectation from ChatGPT, and accordingly it will provide the more accurate answer to you. So I think it's pretty clear to you now. You have got the idea. And again I will go to create a guide. So if you write create a guide, it will provide a generic answer. But if you write this thing, okay, let me create a guide, it will either it will ask or it will provide a random. Let me refresh, otherwise it will take the reference of the last article. Sure, I would be happy to help. Could you please clarify the type of guide you are looking for? Okay, so I did not provide anything details, so that's why it's asking. So I need to provide. I want to create a blog post, so please guide me. Here I can write comprehensive and step-by-step guide I can write. So for this purpose I'm not writing, but if you want you can. Comprehensive and step-by-step guide. Okay, press enter and let's see. It will provide, yes, how to start a blog, a comprehensive guide. First, choose your blog niche. How you can choose: identify your passion, research your audience, check competitors, selecting domain name, how you can select domain name, brainstorm ideas, keep it short and simple, check availability, the domain availability, GoDaddy, Namecheap and Google domains you can check, register your domain. Now you can choose a hosting provider. There are lots of hosting provider. You will get like Bluehost, SiteGround, HostGator, Hostinger, and WPX, like this. And setting up your blog, how you can set: install WordPress, choose a theme. And again, if you want to master on any specific point, suppose you don't know how to install WordPress, so again you can write okay, please explain point number 4, install how to install WordPress. Point 4.1, please explain. I will not write it. Please explain point number 4.1. 4.1 means point 4 and this one. So it will provide install WordPress, how to more details about install WordPress. Okay, so let's check. Please explain point number 4.1. See how, see, it has automatically taken 4.1, install WordPress, how you can do. WordPress is a popular content management system. This is this, how you can do it using one click installation. This is this. In the same way, suppose you don't understand what is it, email marketing. Suppose you don't understand email marketing, so you can write here please explain point 7.2. So it will explain 7.1 to 7.2. It will explain email marketing, how you can do it. So now I think it is pretty much clear to you how you can create the tips number 7. You have understood that is you need to experiment, and you need to refine more refined prompt you need to write. Okay, so instead of telling any word, a single word, you need to provide more details. What is the subject, what is the topic, subject or topic, what is your expectation, and how you want to get it, what is the format also. Suppose a video format, article format, blog format, email format, what kind of format you want to get it, you need to mention. So you can use this template also, as I have given you this template also you can use. You need to replace your contents, but it will be you can write more creative. So you have to become more creative. You need to experiment a lot. Here I have mentioned only 3 examples. You need to create another 10 examples for practice. Create it, 10 examples, 30 examples, 100 examples, you create it and practice it. You will get more better response from ChatGPT. So daily you need to practice it. Okay, so I think it's pretty much clear to you then how you can use experiment and refining pattern. Okay, so the example I have given, you can use this prompt also. You need to replace your content and you will see the result. Okay, so that's it for this video. We will meet in the tips number 8.